Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: an iPhone with iOS 15 or newer, an active Apple ID, and Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once done, open the App Store and search for Google Chat. Make sure you choose the official app from Google LLC. Tap Get or the cloud icon to download. While it installs, sign into your Google account so you're ready to authenticate immediately. This avoids delays and ensures permissions and notifications will be requested right when you open the app. Open Google Chat and tap Sign In. Pick your existing Google account or add another by entering email and password. You'll be prompted for two-step verification if enabled. Complete that to secure access. Grant permissions for notifications, microphone, and camera so messages, voice notes, and calls work correctly. Then visit Settings to set notification sounds, Do Not Disturb windows, and default chat status. Make sure Sync and Background App Refresh are enabled so messages arrive promptly even when the app is finished. By joining spaces or starting direct messages, tap the plus to create or search for people in rooms and pin urgent chats to the top. Optionally add the Google Chat widget or create a Siri shortcut for fast access. Once configured, test sending a message and making a call. If something breaks, force close the app and reopen. If that fails, reinstall. Also verify your Google account status, iPhone network settings, and App Store region. These are common causes when sign-in or sync won't complete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.